Daddy, hand him that little thing over there by the TV, the orange and green and blue colored yellow thing.
This thing?
Yeah, he likes that thing. So he tries to get to it, but
Hell is this? Troublemakers. You name it.
You got it, Dad.
There,
You got it.
Chocolate just walked
Oh.
in. Ooh, I like the one in the red shirt with the suspenders. Like this blue. Wow, they got chocolate black pants on.
Now, aren't we doing? Did you say? I said balloon tang. What? I said balloon tang. Yeah.
Oh, I just can't believe. What are they doing here? Look at the teeth around his neck. Oh. They drive up on motorcycles? They know we're taking on
Hot damn. I tell you. I think I'll order kidneys because I left mine out there on the road somewhere.
I don't know, but I like his hair when he's on his head. And I like his eyes.
Girl right over on the corner. Well, don't look too close at her because the sheriff's right over there, you know what I mean? Check that joker with the
He's
long
using
hair.
his feet too, Daddy. Honey.
Might have to bring him up to the hill.
Oh, you missed it. I said, honey, he turned. He had both his feet holding it and him.
It'll be a forever video, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I think you ought to put him in a cage and charge of admission to see him. Those are what is known as country witticisms.
I can't believe they're here. What are they doing here? I don't know. No, we can't. I think they're foolish. No, they're thinking, oh, you're laughing at them. Yeah, that's because I got it. No. I might. You might. Go ahead. Not when I'm gone, you're not going to ask him. I don't think so. Go ahead. Okay.
You know, I thought that bunch over there, the mothers had maybe been frightened by a bunch of gorillas, but now